In this video, we'll talk about customizing the site navigation bar. Either you have a landing page or a multi-page website, the navigation bar makes it easier for the visitors to browse your website and find things quicker. Thus, the first thing you should do is to make sure the click on each item in the navigation leads to the right place. Let's start by renaming the items. Click on the menu settings, open each item's individual settings, and enter the new name. Now, these items don't yet lead anywhere, so let's give them a click action. For that, enter the settings of each item and choose a link for it. This could be a block on your website, a page, or an external resource. In case an item isn't relevant anymore, but you'd like to keep it for future use, click to hide it from the menu. You may be also wondering how you can group several items into sub-pages. This is particularly useful if you have multiple pages on your website. For that, grab the item and move it under the page which will become the root one. Once you are done adding the links, you can change the design on the navigation bar. This includes text style and color. Here are the available settings. If you have too many menu items, you can try changing the font size or the column width to fit them. You can also group them under the More item